Right, so the next point, let us look at how to find the y coordinate of point N that you've been given here. Remember, the question is asking us to find the coordinates of N. So how are we going to get point N? Still, using the same two triangles that we drew earlier, I'm still going to use this diagram. We're going to have now the coordinate y is always along the vertical axis. This is the vertical axis. So if you move from Q to N, it's like you're moving upward from Q to N. The ratio from Q to N divided by ratio from K to B should be equal to S divided by R. So what is Qn? Say Qn divided by Kb should be equal to S over R. Remember, I'm saying S over R because in the first triangle it is S. The ratio is S to R. I cannot say R over S. It must be S to R unless otherwise if the ratios are changed. So what is Qn? Qn, if you look at now these values, if here we have the point y1 and then we have the point y0 here. So it means that y0 is on the higher side. So y is greater than y1. So we say that Qn will be equals to y minus y1. That's the first thing. Qn is y minus y1. Then number 2 is to get kb. Kb. Again, you realize that k is on the lower side and b is on the higher side, is on the top side. So we say that y2 is going to be greater than y. So we say that kb will be equals to b. Kb will be equal y2 minus y. So that's the values we have. We have Kn and Qn and Kb. So how do we solve this? We say that Qn all over Kb should be equals to S all over R. And what is our Qn? Qn is y minus y1 over Kb is y2 minus y should be equals to S over R. Now look at this. We want to find the value of y. We want to get y without the subscript. So what are you going to do? You cross multiply. If you cross multiply this one multiplied by that one, then this one will go here. So we're going to have r into y minus y1 to be equal s into y2 minus y as our sum there. So you open the bracket, you're going to have r times y, it gives you ry minus ry1 equals sy2 minus sy. Next thing is to collect the like terms. So if you look at this one, we have ry here and sy here. So what will you do? You can bring this sy on this side, you bring this one on this side, and it's going to be plus. Then you take r y1 on this side, and you will have ry plus sy to be equal sy2 plus ry1. And if you factorize out y, you have y into r plus y equals sy2 plus ry1. So r plus y, going to divide both sides by r plus y so that you will have r plus y, and the y coordinate will be, this comes to this, sy2 plus ry1 over r plus y. So that's how you get the next point, which is point N. So the coordinate of point N, the y side. So that's how we do the sum. If you have any question concerning the sum, you can leave your question on the comment section. My next video is going to be on how to do a question concerning a line that is divided externally. Thank you for watching.